Okay, so Dad's gonna put the oil in here. He one thing we just pointed out to me is he actually painted the front end now, so that's done. But customer indicated that they wanted to go into the body shop to get this done anyways, so that's all done.
Yep, everything's done.
Everything's done in there, and Dad's gonna put the oil in, and okay, so we're gonna give it a go here.
I get a cleat to replace. You see that?
Yeah, okay, so Dad's got one cleat there to fix. Just noticed it. You can see it's broken right there.
I marked it.
We got a couple spares luckily in stock, or actually he's got a couple spares in the back of his thing, so
Okay, I'm gonna put the oil in, and then I'll take it in the shop, and in the morning I'll change that. The bolts are too long,
okay.
so what I have to do is cut the heads off,
Okay.
Otherwise I'll bugger up the backing plate.
Okay, so is that an easy fix, or?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. I'll take this to the back. That's why I marked it with a white paint.
Okay.
And I got a grease nipple to put in here underneath.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's all greased.
Okay.
Diff, everything is finished, and I'll put the floor in.
So you got all the greasing done here along the tracks then?
Yeah.
You just said yes.
From the front and back, except that one nipple.
Okay, and you're replacing that one. Okay, so
This is a special little can for hard to places. Eliminates a funnel, Otherwise you're gonna have oil all over.
it's going in pretty good.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about spilling then.
So, just one of the many tools that Dad has in his shop. You know, it's you don't realize you need something like this until, well, you need it. How many liters are you putting in?
I'll put 5 liters in. It'll take that for sure, and then I might have to add a wee bit. I don't know yet.
Okay, remind the guys what kind of engine is this?
It's 306.
Three.
306.
Ford 306. So Dad's going to put 5 liters in, and then he might have to add. Okay, Dad's coming in for round 2 here.
There we are.
So how's it look like so far?
It looks like it's for this is the big filter,
Yeah.
so it'll take 6 liters.
Okay. So,
Because it's pretty well right there on safe.
yeah. But Dad still has to fire it up. So it'll still take more yet. So round 3, Dad's got a 1 liter jug that he's going to put in here. And he just filled up the container again. And what kind of oil are you using?
So the 520.
520.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why you're not using a 0 weight?
Well, he's got a plug in on your side there, eh?
Okay.
And if he plugs in,
There.
it'll start anytime.
Okay. So, Dad's got the oil in. He's got the filter on. He's going to start it up here. Sorry?
I have to put a second spring on.
Oh. Okay. Dad's just checking for leaks here. Pulling out the oil pan with the used oil. Dad was just saying he hasn't changed oil in a long time. Look how black that is.
Look at that.
Wow. Wow. So that's one thing you guys could look at is simple oil changes on your bombardiers. You know, some of you guys are running around with machines that are, you know, with engines that are decades old. You got to ask yourself, if you're just adding oil constantly, maybe it's time to change out that oil and filter. Can't be good for your engine. So Dad just opened up the doors here. He's going to pull in and get it in undercover for the night.
I'll have to put a wee bit more in.
Dad's just fired up the Bombardier again. He's going to move it in. And seems to be no worse for wear. And good! So, as Dad pulled into the shop here, there's the broken one right there. So he's going to have to pull it ahead to fix that tomorrow. So you've got a grease nipple to put in.
Yep.
You've got to add some oil.
And change your cleat.
And change a cleat. So 3 tasks left, correct?
Hey?
3 tasks left.
Yeah.
And then do the bookwork and call the customer.
Yep. Well, we could call the customer. Maybe he can get something going for the weekend. Eh?
Okay. So you got any tips of the day or a tip on Bombardier maintenance for the boys? No.
No use.
Change oil maybe once, a little more often?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially winter operation, because you've got so much condensation, and this oil doesn't last 5,000 kilometers.
Okay.
This is one of the best oils that they've made for the winter, for any vehicle. I use them in the D8, D7, Bombardier, everything. 030.
Okay. So you prefer the Esso brand or?
No, the best one of the whole works was Shell, because they're the one that invented it.
Yeah.
But now they all make it. Eh?
Okay.
But it's not a good idea to mix Esso and Shell and Petrocan. To pick a oil you like and stick with it.
So if we didn't have the plug-in, you'd put in 030.
Yep.
Okay.
He's got a good block heater.
Okay.